Okay, the first UDL guideline that I chose was 6.1, which is Guide Appropriate Goal Setting. And for that, I came across this website of tools that students, teachers, and parents can use. I came across Stick, which is an app that is targeted more towards parents and teachers, which is a great sign. And if we go over here, I've made an account. It's free, which is awesome. And let's go here. So I created Miss Griffin's Classroom, and I'm able to invite my students, parents to this campaign that I've created. And a campaign here is for groups of people. Oh, let me go back. And here I can create whatever types of goals that I would like. I can add new commitments. If we go back here, this was really cool. It'll log my own equipment. So each student can create an account. And since I've created a campaign, which is a group of people that can participate in this goal setting, I can create it for my students and then give them a code. So after they make their own account, they can type in a code to use, and then they will be able to access this campaign altogether. And when they access that campaign, they can include a referee in their commitments and goals that they set themselves. And a referee would one be me, myself, and possibly their parents, or if this was more of a group task and group decided goals, then other students can be involved in goal setting. This website allows unlimited amounts. This is also great for students to access for their personal life as well, which is also great to encourage this outside of the classroom. I liked up here that I can suggest a goal to a friend. So this could be, I could select a goal to my students, and that could be a goal for, hey, Joey, I want you to work on your attendance this week. And I could set that up for them, invite them to it, and send it their way. Reviews were great. I looked up some of them on Twitter and they really liked it. It's used for a lot of offices, which I thought was very creative. They all noted that they used it based off of meetings that they had and goals that they came up with at the meeting, and then this was a great way to keep track of it all. So here I can support all of my students in this area. If I were to add them, all of their names would be right here. Stars is when I have starred my students' commitments, which means like a, hey, go you did that, or my own personal ones. And parents are able to star their child's commitments as well, which just is a great way for parents to be involved. My second guideline is 6.2, which is support planning and strategy development. And the tool that I came across is one that I'm sure you've never heard of. Just kidding. I came across Flipgrid, which I read this article and it came up a couple of times as a great tool for individuals to support each other in strategies and engagement. And I was like, hey, that is very awesome because I use that already, and I agree. It supports a lot. I think that this could be, I just can visualize this as being a great tool for teachers to use with each other. I envision it as using it with my future colleagues, posing a question like, hey, I need support in this area, and then they would be able to respond right here. And what I also like about this is with teachers, they are so busy, have a lot on their plate. What's nice is this could be a video on the go, a response on the go that they make. Same with students, they have busy schedules outside of the classroom. So if I'm posing questions to a test, They can respond here with either questions about the test or each student can, this could be a classroom thing, and students could ask questions to each other that could relate to studying, and they could assist each other out with that. And so I really like this. It's super easy to use as I've used it before. It's free, which is awesome. I don't know if I mentioned the other one, Stick, is also free, which is great. We love that. It's free for us teachers and free for our students and their parents, which they love because they're sick of paying all that field trip money. What I also like about both Stick and Flipgrid is it could be accessed on multiple different devices, laptops, phones, Chromebooks, anything. Now Chromebooks and laptops are being incorporated into the classroom more often, so this is awesome that both of these tools can be accessed on both of those uses of technology. Also, students at such a young age are have their own cellular device, and this could be such an easy way for them to just participate in their goal settings or their feedback based on the classroom or homework questions. So I really enjoyed both of these, and I will definitely see myself introducing this to my students and their parents, along with introducing Flipgrid to my future colleagues and my students.